Now we will discuss about some of the basic formulas which are applicable in a day-to-day life for any business, running business, and how to utilize those formulas and where it is available. For example, you have a data related to sales and you would like to calculate a total sales happen. And second thing, you would like to calculate a maximum sales value. What is the maximum sales value happened in that particular data, and what is the minimum sales value, and average sales. When we consider 12 clients together, what is the average sales happen, and how many are there? How many clients? When you have a 12, okay, you can bear, you can say that 12 are there. When you have a lot of data, it will be very difficult to count at that particular time. You can use a count formula. Where these formulas are available, go to insert. In insert we have a function. Here we have a function. In function, what basic formulas are there here? Sum, average, count, max and min. These are the most used and the basic formulas. Apart from that, many other formulas also here, like engineering related formulas, financial related formulas, logical formulas, lookup formulas, okay, the statistical formulas, like that. So many formulas are there, but we will discuss these formulas whenever the application side comes. But we'll discuss about a most used formula now. First one is about here, calculating a total sales. Calculating a total sales value. To calculate a total sales value, we have to use a sum, right? So where you would like to calculate, select that particular cell, then go to insert, function, there we have to select a sum. Once you have been selected a sum, it is asking for a selecting a data. It is open a bracket and close the bracket, and one cursor is blinking now. We have to select a data straight away. We have to select the data, which one you would like to make a sum. Only data you have to select. Don't select it sales heading. Only the data, that is the amount we have to select. Okay, we have to select the amount by using click and drag. Select the all the cells, then enter, so that total value you have been calculated. Similarly, maximum sales, how to get it done? Maximum sales, again select that cell, insert, function, max. That is about a maximum sales. Again we have to select the data from where you are looking for the maximum sales. Click and drag or control shift down arrow key. Maximum sales happened is a 8,765 rupees. The minimum sales, again we have to go to insert, function, minimum. Again select from where you would like to select the data. Hold control and shift down arrow key, so that it will be selecting the entire data. Enter. Again average sales, insert, function, average. Again we have to select a data. Click and drag also we can use to select a data. Counting also similarly, go to function, count, then select a data to count how many sales happen. Okay, so that we can able to get all the summary about the data by using these functions. For a shortcut also, here it is there, all are available here in a quick access bar also. Okay, from here also you can refer all the formula. No need to go every time. Insert and function. Okay, this shortcut is there here itself, you can use that one. Or if you know the formula, then you can use one more method, that is nothing but equal to. Total is nothing but sum. I need to write it as a sum. Then I need to select, double click on that, which formula need to be entered, and select which one you would like to sum. Select that data, close the bracket, the within a bracket it should be. Okay, data should be selected within a bracket. After sum, enter. Similarly, for a count, equal to count, count, count. Okay, we'll double click on that formula, then we'll select the data. First we have to select the data properly, then close the bracket, enter. But every time when you are writing formula your own, it should be start with the equal to, then we have to say max, mean, like that we can start typing up the formula. Okay, these are the two ways we can use a formula in a Google Sheets.